have started, let's learn the grammar. What we have started in our last video? We have started unit 4, let's learn the grammar. And what we have seen in that grammar? Adverb. What we have learned about in the grammar? Adverb. But what is adverb? Actually, adverb tell us more information about the verb. Adverb tell us more information about the verb. So, even also we have seen the types of adverb. First, we learn about the adverb of manner, and even we have seen the examples and exercises also we have completed about adverb of manner. But today we'll see the adverb of place. What we'll see today the adverb of place. So what does the adverb of place? Adverb of place tell us information about the places, because the place word is there, and adverb of place tell us information about the places. It gives us information about the places. That means it can be inside, outside, everywhere, near, outdoor. These can words we can see in the adverb of place. So, these two examples I have written on the board. Vinu looked for his kitten everywhere. Vinu looked for his kitten everywhere. That means वीनू अपने किटन को हर जगह देखा है. वीनू ने अपने किटन को हर जगह देखा है. So this everywhere word is telling us about the places. Everywhere word is telling us about the places. So this everywhere this word is adverb of place. Everywhere this word is adverb of place. Now in the second sentence, I know there is a school nearby. I know there is a school nearby. मुझे पता है स्कूल नजदीकी है. I know there is a school nearby. So this nearby word is telling us about the places. This nearby word is telling us about the place. So this everywhere and nearby, these both are our adverb of place. That means the adverb of place, this kind of words you can see in the adverb of places, everywhere, nearby, outside, over there. This kind of word you can see in adverb of place, and adverb of place give us information about the places. So you just note down this adverb of place definition and these two examples in your notebook. Then we'll complete the exercise number 3. Underline the adverb in the following sentences. Some sentences are there, and what we have to do, we have to underline the adverb of place in the given sentences. So you just note down this first in your notebook. We'll see this exercise. have written this example and the definition of adverb of manner. Now let's see the exercise number 3. So which sentence is there first? The boy stood outside the gate. A number. Stood outside the gate. The boy stood outside the gate. The boy stood outside the gate. लड़का कहाँ खड़ा है? Outside the gate. That means which place is there? Outside. Which place is there? Outside. So this outside is our adverb of place. Now B. Prithvi is somewhere in the house, but I don't know where. I don't know where. Prithvi is somewhere in the house, but I don't know where. That means Prithvi घर में ही कहीं है, but I don't know कहाँ है. So this somewhere word is telling us about the place. This somewhere word is telling us about the place. So this is our adverb of place. This is our adverb of place. Now see a huge tree. Once stood over here. A huge tree once stood over here. Now huge tree once stood over here. So over here is our adverb of place. Over here is our adverb of place. And here this where word is also adverb of place. So in the third one, a huge tree once stood over here. Over here is our adverb of place. Sorry, over there is. Now D. The birds fly. Birds are flying overhead. The birds are flying overhead. So which word is telling us about the place? This overhead word is telling us about the place. So this overhead is our adverb of place. Now E. My friend. My friend lives nearby. My friend nearby. So which word is telling us about the place? This nearby word is telling us about the place. So underline this nearby. Now the F. I cannot find my bag anywhere. I cannot find my bag anywhere. So which word is there for the place? Anywhere word is there for the place. So in the first sentence, outside, second, somewhere and there, third, over there, fourth, overhead, fifth, nearby, sixth, anywhere. These all underlined words are adverb of place, because these words are telling us about the places. These words are indicating the places. That's why these all underlined words are adverb of places. You please note down these all the sentences in your notebook. Now adverb of manner we have completed, and recently we have seen the adverb of place. Now the last and the third one type is adverb of frequency. That means the frequency adverb. I hope you have written this also. I am just rubbing this. Frequency adverb. So what is their frequency adverb? Frequency adverb. Frequency adverb tell us how many times the thing or some incident happened. Frequency adverb tell us how many times something happens. Tell us how many times something happens. That means how many times it's something happen. Many times, never, seldom, always, sometimes. This kind of word we can see in the frequency adverb. In the frequency adverb, I write the words here. Many, never, seldom, always, sometimes. I think this I should write here. Sometimes. So in frequency adverb, what you can see? You can see many, never, seldom, always, and sometimes. These types of words you can see in frequency adverb. And frequency adverb tell us how many times the particular things happen. How many times the particular things happen. कोई भी एक क्रिया कितने बार हो रही है या हो रही है या नहीं. अगर हो रही है तो कितने बार हो रही है. How many times the things, how many times something happens. That means many times, never, seldom means कभी कभी, always or sometimes. These types of words you can see in frequency adverb. In frequency adverb. So exercise is there. Exercise number 4. Fill in the blanks using the adverb given in the bracket. Now frequency adverb we have to fill in the blank space. So I just write here the first one. The maid is blank space. Two options. Seldom, often. Late. I had to warn her. Now the maid is late. I had to warn her. मतलब जो घर पे काम करने वाली मेड होती है वो हमेशा ही लेट होती है, इसलिए मुझे उसे वॉर्न करना पड़ा. So often, which word will come here? The maid is often late. The maid is often late. The maid is often late. I had to warn her. Which frequency adverb is here? Often. Now the second one, it, blank space, two options usually. And never. These two options are there. Rains in Chennai in November. In November, it has not. It has not rained this time though. Now it rains in Chennai in November and has not. It has not. It has not rained this time though. So it use usually, it usually rain. So which frequency adverb will come here? Usually. It usually rain in the Chennai in November. It has not rained this time though. Now the third one. My friend visits me. My friend visits me. Blank space. Never and often, two options. Often I enjoy his company. My friend visits me. Which will come there again? Often. My friend visits me often. I enjoy his company. So these three sentences we have completed by putting the frequency adverb. Now you just note down this all in your notebook. Then three sentences are left. First you complete this. We'll see the next three. Now I rub this. Now next three sentences we'll see. D number. She does her work. She does her work. Blank space. Two options. Regularly, always. Regularly, always. She has been given a medal for it. Now she does her work regularly, always. Which adverb, frequency adverb will come there? Always. She does her work always always. So she has been given a medal for it. Now E. Praveen has two options, always, never. Come first. He has never written Rita, who always comes first. Comes first. Now Praveen has come first. He never beaten Rita, who always comes first. Now which will come here? Praveen has never come first. Praveen has never come first. He has never beaten Rita, who always come first. Now the last one sentence. My family blank space, two options, seldom, never. Eats out, most time. We prepare home cooked food. We prepare we prefer home cooked food. Now my family seldom eats out, most time we prepare home cooked food. Now we have completed these sentences by putting the frequency adverb. Always, never, seldom. These all are the frequency adverb, and here we have completed this exercise. So you just note down these all the sentences in your notebook. All 6 sentences we have completed by putting the frequency adverb. I hope student you got what is frequency adverb. Frequency adverb tells us how many times something happens. The word never, seldom, always, seldom, often, these kinds of words we can see in frequency adverb. So today we have covered two types of adverb, adverb of frequency and adverb of place. Even we have completed the exercises also. So here what we have covered, unit 4, the healer we have covered, and the let's build the word and let's learn the grammar. These two types we have covered in unit 4. Now in our next video we will start the first lesson exercise. The first unit's exercise, let's build the word and let's learn the grammar of first unit. What is our first unit? The seed of truth. So in our next video we will see, let's build the word and let's learn the grammar about first unit, the seed of truth. Then after that we'll do the land of story, this poems exercise, and mood of the restaurant its exercise also we'll see one by one. I hope you have got this and you have written this all. We'll meet in our next video soon. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.